Hey everyone, just a quick update on the cottage cabin project here. It's Monday, it's day one. I am here on the beautiful lake. We probably got about half hour, 45 minutes till sunset here. Super productive day with me and the apprentices. We got almost all the woodwork prepped for enamel. We painted the ceilings, papered the floors, got our little workshop set up, and you can see in the background there, that is my mobile command unit that I'm working out of here for this. If you can see, I don't know if you can see over there, one of my apprentices in all white there is underneath the tree baiting a hook, and we're seeing what the panfish are like this time of year at the lake here. We're kind of between, walleye, pike, and bass season, so the panfish are all we're gonna get. But yeah, the cottage cabin sits on the hill here, and I'm about to retire to the mobile command unit and get some work done today. Start answering all the calls. Mondays are always busy, but thought I'd give you guys a little update. More apprentices will be coming tomorrow, and we will be continuing progress and look for a live feed first thing in the morning. If you guys have any specific questions about this project or anything we're doing up here, this brand new project from the ground up, styled after a 1920s sort of lake home or cottage, you let me know, and we'll do another live feed tomorrow morning. So thank you guys for all watching, and yeah, we'll see you guys later.